lemons, oranges, apple slices, fresh cut strawberries, juices of Mexico, a little tequila. Let's put some Everclear on them, okay? Really burn these bad boys up, okay? Blue curacao. This is an orange liqueur that's blue colored. A little bit of Kool-Aid. This blue raspberry lemonade. You seal up like so. 2 pineapple juices, okay? These mini cans. Let's mix in there, but I want it clear to keep my blue, okay? I want to lighten that blue in there. Some lemonade now. Ooh, this Hawaiian Punch Polar Blast. They just took the red one and made it blue. Change the name. And watch this stir. This the tornado, homeboy. And there you have it. Okay? Drink up, homeboy. This the party.